What is going on, guys? It's Noah here with Custom RC Mods, back at the park today, and it's an unheard of, mostly clear day. We're used to these overcast days here this spring, but I'm gonna take advantage of it. Today we got the FT Bloody Baron out for a flight. We got the 4S 1300 milliamp hour, a 75C battery from Tattu mounted under the belly of this airplane, and I'm really excited to see how this thing performs, especially with the new motor and prop. I've never tried 4S with this motor and prop combo, so it's gonna be interesting. But we do have a 10 mile per hour wind from the north, so not too bad, especially for small planes like this that can penetrate through it, but it's still going to cause a little bit of a little bit turbulence for this plane up in the sky, but hopefully downwind passes will be really fast. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing ready for flight. All right, so it's time to get the Bloody Baron up in the air. Wind is coming from this direction, so first off, a little throttle test. Got a lot of power. Here we go. Dang, that is fast. Can barely hit full throttle before I have to turn around and go the other way. Definitely feeling the wind on the upwind pass, but now for downwind, that's gotta be at least 80 miles per hour by there. Fully charged 4S pack, 75C discharge rate on that pack, so. I went ahead and dialed back my elevator travel just so that I could be a little bit smoother. One thing that this plane has, being a shorter length, is that it has a very sensitive pitch axis. So you gotta be careful with that. And planes like the Goblin, the Arrow, the Sparrow, all those shorter planes have very sensitive pitch. So always get some expo in here. I believe I'm running like 35% elevator expo, 90% rate. So there's still a lot of it, as you can see. That's quite a bit of through right there. You can go vertical in seconds. But this has got all the power that I could really ever need right on here, and it's performing great on this 4-cell pack. I'm interested to see what the motor temperature is going to be like, because I would go ahead and try it out on an 11x7 if the motor temperatures are at least a little bit warm to the touch but not burning hot, because I know that they're going to be warm. It's a 4S pack. That's just the nature of 4S in general, but it's a very speedy airplane. It's locked in though, locked in. Just making these passes back and forth is lots of fun. Bring it back down here so you guys can see it better. This is my 4th flight on this airplane, I believe. So I'm gonna stay conservative with my altitude so that we don't accidentally nose it in the ground, because I haven't fully learned this airplane yet, but downwind. Looks like we're running out of juice. I'm gonna go ahead and bring it in for a landing. Gotta hold a little bit of pitch down and just stall at the last second and plop it right in. There we go, guys. That is a 4S flight on the FT Bloody Baron. Thanks for watching. Please go ahead and show your support, and I will catch you guys in the next video.